Fall is gradually approaching, and so come with me. Let's give my guest bathroom a fall glow up. This time, I'm bringing in rich chocolate brown tones, tortoise shell accents, and warm seasonal touches to create that cozy, moody, and elegant look. What do you think for this fall look? Would you decorate your bathroom this way? Follow for more. Thank you.
Think back, that initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day, send me gifts just because. Ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Well, let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, baby? It was just a lover.
Yeah, trying to get you out my thoughts today. Still chained to you when I walked away. Still chained, you know it'd be hard to break, cause I kept it way too real to automate. I wanna talk to you for my conscience sake, trying to make my mind and body cooperate. Used to have some shots to give for ones you take, but then I took them all to heal and lost the way. Got me riding around listening to Marvin Gaye, reminisce what was, cause now it ain't. And through my mind I trail for hours till it all devours. I'm amongst the prowlers on your page. See how you spend the days without eating me inside, that I'm phasing out, but I plays it. And it